set up like a vacuum system where the hose goes into the ocean. You suck the water from the ocean through the tube right down into the tunnel with such great force that it floods everything. And then the body will just come floating out. I say, just flood the place with fucking fuel oil. Or buckets of coal and set the fucker on fire. Coal will burn for fucking ever. The smoke will kill them. They were asking Israel for safe passage. Israel here. How well can you float? Get it? You get it? They ask Israel for. Haven't started building yet.
By trying to undercut our young, by trying to undercut a next generation of diverse and upcoming Democrats that have the actual party, the actual electorate and voter support, or threat lob directly at top Democrats. She's going right at Chucky and right at Hakeem Jeffries.
Wouldn't it look good right there, synagogue?
You know, she
Next thing you're going to have City Hall next to it. Borough Hall.
Public assurances that his socialist-inspired agenda did not represent the vision of the party and a direct hit on Hakeem Jeffries. What have I been saying? Their days are numbered. I've been saying their leaders in name only. She is confirming my belief system. She said it puts folks on notice that we have a future to plan. We are either going to do that together or you're going to be left behind. Well, let me tell you how that's going to end. Chuck is out. Hakeem Jeffries is out. There's no way they're going to be challenged. They're not going to be challenged. Bernie Sanders telling reporters the party's internal divide is no secret. It's about to intensify in primary races across the U.S. So what we're going to see are more people, more squad members running for
That Mustang.
the Senate. We're seeing it.
You always sell a Mustang.
In New York City, I mean, this lunatic in Maine, the guy with the Nazi tattoo, that has said the most vile and hateful things. I assume he, is going to be their nominee against Susan Collins. Going to get reelected. Now, I don't agree with Susan Collins on some issues, but she's the only elected person in D.C. from the entire, from New England states. She's it. And she does try to accommodate Republican leadership. She's not like Lisa Murkowski, who just, seems to just hate everything about the Republican Party. Not sure why she stays in it. If it wasn't for ranked choice voting, the stupidity that they have in Alaska, she wouldn't even be there.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select a wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen or touch the Enter Code button to enter your code.
$10.
Please select one of the following options. Please insert payment now. Please remove your card.